Oos! Impz. Hey, what's up, shop? So this video, more cool stuff from wonhobby Gallery 2023 Spring. And in this video, we take a look at GSC's, Good Smile Company's Kamado Nezuko. And this is the Mugen Ressha version. And this is a character from Kimetsu no Yaiba. But yep, looking great. The sculpt is done, the coloring is done, looks awesome, and has like LED lights and stuff. At the moment, this is still not set for release yet, though. There's no release date, there's no price, but I would imagine it's just a matter of time until they announce something official. But yeah, looks great. Let me know what you guys think. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys soon. どうもありがとうございます。また会いましょう。じゃあね。Oos. Thanks for watching.